Hello, and welcome back to Quick Fix. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at the mouse leg you get with Raspberry Pis when you get them out of the box. This doesn't happen for everybody, but it has happened to me on literally every Raspberry Pi I've ever owned. So here's how you fix it. Come into your terminal and type in sudo nano/boot/commandline.txt. That's going to open up this text file. You're just going to scroll to the very end, and then you're going to type in usb.hid.mousepole equals, and then you can pick any number between 1 to 8. You want to make sure there's a space, obviously, between the back of the console and then the usb.hid. And once you've done that, click save, and then just restart your Raspberry Pi. And if that doesn't fix it, if the mouse still feels laggy, come back into the file and keep incrementing by 1. Start at 1 and work your way up. But I found my happy medium at about 4. At the max, it was just too fast. I couldn't track the mouse. But other than that, that is how you fix a laggy mouse on a Raspberry Pi. Hope this video helped you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see all of you on the next Quick Fix. Bye.